Everyone, Jack McKeag here. We're gonna do a proof video today. These are always fun. Just got the mail. So yeah, I put like a certified mail sticker over, over you know, the numbers and stuff and the address, so you can't see it. But the mail comes like this. You know, when you get a new credit card. Let's see. Inc. Business Unlimited for, over here, Christian Ministries Trust. Spending limit, that's a credit limit, right? 19,000. Chase has already issued a Inc. preferred for 44,500 credit limit. I've shown that before, but I just thought I'd show this. Whoops. Trying to get a good shot there. You see that? Okay. I think that does it. Don't want to take up too much of your time. The trust works. You can bank with it. You get credit with it. You name it, it works. I just, you know, the Chase, in my opinion, for a business credit card, the Chase, what is it? Preferred is the first one to get, top tier, and then get the unlimited next, and then the cash should be next after that. So, and so on down the line. All right. Proof. God bless your success. If you need us, we're on libertyaid.org or jackmckeag.com.